Hello everyone, I am Fu Chen. Today I'm gonna solve this programming question for you and explain the reason why we do that. First, we need to know the purpose of this question. This question is calculating the gratuity and the total based on the given subtotal and the gratuity rate. First, I think we need to get the subtotal and gratuity rate from the user, because from the question we know that these two data is entered by user, and we can calculate the gratuity and the total fee using two formula. The first formula is gratuity is equal to subtotal multiply the gratuity rate and divide by 100, because we need to convert the 12 into 12%, so we divided it by 100. And the total fee is composed by two parts. The first is gratuity, the second is the subtotal. So in this case, if we input 10 as the subtotal and the 12 as the gratuity rate, we can get the gratuity is 10 multiplied 12 divided by 100 is equal to 1.2, and the total fee is 10 plus 1.2 is equal to 11.2. So we finished the first part. We jump to the second part, the programming part. Hope everybody have installed the Java virtual machine, Java JDK, and have their own Java IDE. Now I use VS Visual Code as my IDE programming environment. First, we need to create a file that ends with .java. We need to name it to help name this file for us to memory it. I think we can name it compute total .java, and it has create a class automatically, but something goes wrong. Let's move it out. So we delete. Here we need to according to the design recipe, we need to know the purpose of this program. Second is the formula, the method, and the example. The purpose of this program is to calculate the total fee and get the gratuity rate. Our method is a formula. We have two formula. Then the example. In the given example, we input 10 and 12. We need to get 1.2 and 11.2 as the result. So 10. If we wanna run this program, we need to have the main method. So in main method, we can divide it into three parts. I think it's three parts. The first is ask user to input subtotal and gratuity rate. Second is calculating the gratuity and the total fee. The third is output answer. In the first step, we need to use scanner. Scanner is to scan the input from the keyboard or the mouse. So we need scanner. We need to create a new scanner from the system, and we can observe in this example the user inputs these two these two data simultaneously. So we will put a hint to ask user to input. So we print enter subtotal and gratuity rate. Then we need to receive it, and we need to receive these two data at over gratuity rate and the subtotal. We need to first we need to initialize. Because I think the subtotal will be the float type, and the rate will be float type, so I use float. And we can jump to the second part. The second part is calculating the gratuity and the total fee using these two methods. We can just copy and paste. The second part is finished. So we only left the last part. The last part is output answer. In this example, we print out the gratuity and the total in one line. So we need to use printf. The gratuity is now we have finished the main part. We can run this code to examine it. Also, I think we can use 20 and 12 as our example. So we run it. Oops. Something wrong. We can input 10 and 12. Oh, I ignored that, sorry. So we get the right answer as a sample question, and we can rerun it and input the second test. We get 2.4 and the 22.4 as a result. So we finished this question. Thank you.